everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to download and install the CoinMarketCap app on your Android device. Whether you are using your Android mobile device or tablet, this process is easy to follow. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, tap on the search icon at the bottom center of the screen and in the search bar type in CoinMarketCap. Once you come across the search results, look for this application from CoinMarketCap.com and tap on the install button to begin the download process. The app will begin downloading. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Once installed, tap on Open and the CoinMarketCap application will launch. You can also use the app without signing up or logging in, but signing in gives access to watch lists, price lists, and portfolio tracking. So that's how you have successfully downloaded and installed the CoinMarketCap app on your Android device, whether you are using mobile or tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.